In this video, we are unboxing the cylinder compression tester. The kit includes a cylinder compression tester. The compression tester supports up to 20 bars, 300 pounds per square inches. It includes a hose assembly. It includes a brass outer fitting, can directly into the spark plug hole, including a rubber-tipped push in adapter, which compresses directly against the spark plug threads for testing. The product label, the instruction manual. This time, we use the Honda Civic EK as an example. Before using the tester, we need to remove the spark plugs, remove the spark plug wires, remove the spark plugs. Then we need to unplug the fuel injector connectors or pull the fuel pump fuse. Otherwise, if there is too much fuel being injected, the cylinders will flood and the engine won't start. With the preliminary steps done, we will use the hose as the demonstration. The hose is equipped with a 14 by 1.25 millimeter thread. That's the spark plug thread size, and it can thread directly into the spark plug hole. First, install the hose assembly. The fitting on the hose has a Schrader valve, and it can hold pressure. Install the compression gauge. Now crank the engine to check compression. Crank the engine. After cranking, the compression peaked at around 11 bars. This engine's compression specific is around 10 bars, so this indicates healthy compression. When removing the gauge, we need to first press the pressure release valve on the gauge to bleed the pressure. After bleeding, remove the compression gauge. Remove the hose. Next, we will demonstrate how to use the rigid adapter. First, connect the rigid adapter to the compression gauge. When using the rigid adapter, we need to press it firmly against the spark plug hole. Press down firmly on the gauge. Crank the engine. Remove the gauge. This reading came up to around 9 bars. But since this is a push-in type adapter, there might be leaking, so this reading is considered acceptable. After removing, bleed the pressure from the gauge first. Then remove the gauge head.